Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed about the predicate. Okay. So in this session, we will be seeing about when to use predicate. Okay. Let's see. Basically, the predicate will be useful in scenarios where you want to filter the given element or filter the given list of elements, or if you want to test the given element. Okay. You want to, if you want to match the given elements, so you'll be using the predicate. So when to use predicate will be useful in scenarios where you want to filter, test, and match the elements based on the criteria. Okay, fine. So now let's take an example and test whether the given number is a even or odd. Okay, let's say I have a number 24. I want to check whether the number 24 is even or odd. Even or odd. For this, I'll choose the predicate because predicate is the one which will take the input of in which take the input, and it will evaluate the condition. It will return the true or false. True or false. So for so what I'll do is now the predicate will be having the test method, right? The test method will be taking the t as a type. Here t could be any type of value you can take. So it could be int value, double value, float value, string value, even object also you can take as a type. So for my condition, for my scenario, I'll be taking the int as a type. What I'll do is I'll be providing the implementation for this test method because test is an abstract method, right? So we need to provide the implementation for this method. In the implementation only, we will be checking the condition if the number is divisible by 2 or not. So if it is divisible, we will be writing the true or false. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll be jumping for the implementation of the test method. The test method, what it will take a single parameter. What I'll do is I'll be passing a single parameter. Number is a single parameter. It will take a, okay. Let me write the parenthesis. Okay. Now I want to write the condition, right? If the number is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, then only we can consider the given number is a even number. Okay. Number divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, we can say that the given number is the even number. So we are writing, you can see here, we have written the implementation for the test method. Where this test method is available? In the predicate. So we have to say that. So this is the implementation of the predicate test method. Okay. So integer. Fine. So now here I'll be creating an object of int predicate. Fine. So now we have written the implementation for the given number. Okay. Now what I'll do is I have to call this implementation. Now writing just implementation isn't end actually. We have to execute this implementation. So for that, what I have to do? So what is the implementation method? What is the method which we have implemented? Test is the method we have implemented. What we have to do? We have to make a call to this method itself, right? So how to call this test method? Okay, test is a what a method it is? It is a non-static method. Non-static method must be called with respect to what? Object name. What is our object name? Int predicate is the object name. So I'll say int predicate dot test. I'll be passing the number over here. Will passing the number over here. This method will return the true or false because see, whatever the value you are passing, it will be copied to over here. You're saying that number divisible by 2. If it is divisible by 2, it will return 0. Okay, so 24 is the number which is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0. Now this will return true. This method will return true. So in the same way, if you are testing for the odd as well, so let's say the number is 19. Okay, so 19 percentile 2. So 19 is not divisible by 2. Okay, so that's why it is an odd number. Okay, so likewise, we are writing the implementation of the test method and we are testing that logic actually. So in this way, we will be writing it. In the same way, you can practice it as well. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I'll happy to help you. Okay. In the next video, what we will be doing is we will be writing a code for this, what we have discussed. Okay. We'll be writing a code for this. And we'll see in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Okay. So that I can motivate myself and do more videos on these Java. Okay, so your support must be needed actually. Thank you for watching.